and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
I've got a question for you. What's the #1 problem every local business owner is grappling with right now? And imagine if you could earn up to $500 by solving this problem in just a few minutes. Hi, I'm Prady, and I'm here to introduce you to VidWise AI, an incredible new software that's a game changer for local businesses. The major issue, it's attracting customers. And the reason is clear, their websites lack engaging video content. This is where VidWise AI and you step in. VidWise AI is not just a video creator, it's a business transformer. In a matter of minutes, you can turn any boring website content into high-converting videos that Google loves, driving traffic and boosting sales. But here's the best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz. VidWise AI does all the heavy lifting. From finding potential leads to creating fully SEO-optimized branded videos, it's all just a few clicks away. Step 1, get leads. VidWise AI automatically finds local websites that need more traffic and sales through better video content. It identifies sites lacking videos and those with poorly optimized existing content. Step 2, create video. The AI extracts essential information, generates multilingual scripts, and suggests relevant images, ensuring each video is perfectly tailored for SEO and conversion. Beautiful on-brand videos, perfectly matching your client's website colors and brand, engaging scripts, pre-sell your client's offers and products like a pro. Attention-grabbing visuals, scenes, color palette, and transitions to engage viewers and keep them hooked until they buy. Step 3, generate a video sales page. VidWise AI crafts an SEO-optimized sales page designed to convert viewers into paying customers. This feature, known as Vid Pages, helps businesses sell their video marketing services. The videos are written by AI, trained for high conversions, and these pages can be multilingual, expanding the reach of your client's content. But what if they already have videos? No problem. VidWise AI also specializes in optimizing existing videos. It provides a detailed analysis and rejuvenates your client's existing videos to enhance traffic and sales dramatically. And it's incredibly versatile. VidWise AI can turn any type of website content into engaging videos that grab attention and kill distraction. Whether it's pre-sale pages, blog posts, how-tos, instructions, FAQs, welcome pages, about us sections, course content, upsells, downsells, order bumps, whatever you need, it's easy with VidWise AI. Whether it's for a local cafe or an e-commerce giant, VidWise AI caters to all. It even optimizes existing videos for better performance. This isn't just about making videos, it's about skyrocketing a business's online presence. This is your chance to be at the forefront of digital marketing innovation. Unlock a treasure trove of business opportunities with VidWise AI. Remember, this exclusive offer is only available for a limited time. Seize this opportunity to transform local businesses and build your own success story. With VidWise AI, you're not just earning, you're creating lasting impact. Join us in revolutionizing local business marketing. Click the button below and embark on your journey with VidWise AI. Let's make every website a customer magnet.
Hi, this is Praddy from Engage Leads, and in this video, I will walk you through our brand new software called VidWise AI. And you can now convert any web page into high converting, captivating videos in just few clicks. So let's have a look and see how VidWise AI does that. So right now I'm in the dashboard of this app, and on the left hand side you have got several options. It all starts with finding leads, then you have campaign section. I will explain you each part step by step. Then we have got create videos, analytics, and settings and agency settings and every single thing. So let's go ahead and start with lead generation. So if you are a local consultant and if you want to serve in your local area, you just have to select your niche over here. So say dentist in your area. So I will put New Jersey and set the distance and find out businesses that do not feature video services because they are your target market. So let's go and click here. Now this software is finding out leads that do not have videos or they are not using videos in their regular marketing. And on the left hand side you will see all these videos. If you want to find more leads, you can click here on load more and it will load a few more videos. Okay, and you can see each and every business that doesn't have video on their website or in their marketing mix. You will find all those leads over here. You can select some of them and save as a draft. You can save this. Okay, and when you click here on explore more, you will get more details of this business. So if you want to visit a website, you can click here and visit a website. Okay, the best part is that you can check out how it looks and what are the problems with these. You can simply create a video for this business using the content on their website. Okay, so what you can do here, just simply click on create video for this lead, and now this tool will go check out the content, create AI generated script for video marketing. Okay, so the first part in creation of any video, which is a task for any small business owner, that is creating a captivating script that the software does in just one click. Okay, it does everything. It does research, it reads all the content of the website and create captivating video script. Now this step takes a couple of minutes because it reads all the content, rearranges it, rewrites it for the video script. So it takes a couple of minutes. All right, so now you can see here the script is ready along with image keywords, SEO keywords, the tags that you can use, and scene by scene the script is ready for this business. And you will also get SEO friendly YouTube description. If you want to rewrite it, you can do that easily. Now it's time to convert this script into video. So let's click here on create video using this script, and here you will see several templates that we have got, and some of them are universal. So we have got combination of image plus video background, image background or video background. You can edit them as you want, and we have got some niche specific templates for various niches here as well. Okay, so what you can do, you can click here on your niche, which is dental, and click on save and next. Now you can edit text or images as you want. Here you will see entire script that we have created for this business owner. You can edit it as you want. Okay, so if you want to add this, simply I will click it over here. And I will add it here. You can change font color, you can change font size and font family. So it's absolutely customizable, and you can see here the text has got changed. Similarly, for each and every scene you can do If you want to delete the scene, you can delete. If you want to add scene, you can do that. And here for each scene, we have got content written for you. Similarly, if you want to add any scene, you can do that. Delete any scene, you can do that. So it's perfectly customizable, right? So say here, if you want to add this, you can simply go. You can upload their logo. You can add this content over here. All right. And you can add their phone number details, website details, and your first step of video creation is done. So you have got pre-written AI script. So you already have got AI written script for the video. You have ready-made templates that you can edit. You can put those over here. If you want to rewrite content, you can rewrite from here as well for each slide. You can add slide, delete slide from here, and you can easily create the video that you want. Now let's click here on save and continue. And the next step is that you can add any background audio from here. Okay, so let's say I'm going to add this one. Or else if you want to add any voiceover, you can upload it from here. If you want to add your background music, you can do it from here. And you just have to click here on save and render. And now this software will create video for the particular business in, as I said, in just few clicks. It has created a video. You can edit it easily. And now it's creating and rendering the video for this particular business owner. Now you can see this video is ready. Either you can download it or you can click here and embed it in ready-made landing page. So let's click here and you will see the video will get embedded automatically in this landing page, and it will create landing page as well. You can see this. And it's very simple, very easy. You can see it has created entire page for this business. Now you can see this is the landing page that will pitch your video marketing services along with the video that you have created for that business. Now, that is one of the features. What you can do over here is you can create such videos for any web page, be it affiliate marketing page, be it your e-commerce page, be it your review page, blog page. There is no restriction. So for that, what you have to do, you can go here and click on create videos and put the URL of the website for which you want to create your video. So say this page you want to convert into video. So I will go here, I will put the URL of it and click on let's go. Now the software will follow the same process. It will go and create script for this page. It will also create videos in just few clicks. So here you can see the complete script is ready, and you can rewrite it and you can follow the same steps that I have already followed and create a video. Now, what if any business already has got videos? You can simply analyze their videos as well. So you just have to go to Analytics tab, put their URL, and you are done. So basically, this software, in a nutshell, converts any web page into captivating, high converting videos that generate sales for small business owners. And as a local consultant or digital marketer, this is going to be a brand new tool that will help you in selling more services to local businesses or small business owners, and that will generate more revenue for your business as well. So that's it for this demo. See you in the members area of VidWise AI.